Hello guys, I am Mainuddin Chaudhary. Today I will show you laravel route. We are using route. We are using route because of generating URL for our application. And as a developer, you you should know that Laravel will not take anything out of box. Out of box means which is not registered into Laravel. Laravel will not accept uh, unregistered um, uh, ingredients. So guys, if you try with any unregistered ingredients into Laravel, it will raise an exception, and that you can check it into browser. If I am trying this route into browser with a Laravel application, it will show me not found HTTP exception. That means any URL you want to use like this. You want to create a URL inside your view file, which is not registered into Laravel routes file. Laravel don't know which is this which is this as Laravel don't understand which type of request is this come into Laravel, and after that it raises an exception into in front of you. So you have to register all of your URL as a route into Laravel routes file. So guys, we can find our routes file inside routes directory, which is located inside Laravel installation directory. Our routes file name is web.php. Already opened up. So guys, if now if we create our about us route, this is the syntax of our creating any route. This is the syntax of Laravel about us. You can also use a controller action instead of closer function. In future, I will of course show how to use controller action instead of closer function. For the first, as a beginner, now we will learn route with closer function. And inside this route, inside our route, we will render our data from a view which we have called using our we will call using our view helper. Website is our is the folder of our template. Inside this folder, our website or our website templates are inside are into this folder. So guys, you have to create your template inside resources directory. uh, inside resources directory there is a folder named views. Under this directory you have to create your folder name website. Into this website folder your template name will about us.blade.php. .blade is an extension of laravel blade templating engine. Our view file is created. Our view title is about us. Inside this view we want to show a header about us. Now we hit into browser. Sorry guys, maybe my view name is missing something. Yeah, my view name is about us. So guys, out of box Laravel will not accept anything. Whenever I have registered about us route into web.php file, it omit all errors from browser. If we want to check it into command prompt, here I will show you Laravel route list, and you look at the table. There is a route name is about us which we have created just a few minutes ago, and another route is index route which is which created uh, uh, into Laravel web.php files, and another route is API related route API slash user, which you can find out from api.php route file. So guys, anything you can anything that is unregistered, that is not registered at Laravel will not accept that things. So you have to register your route, your all routes, your all navigation link into web.php file. Uh, Now, guys, I will show you how can we pass data into our view through our route. We can pass any type of data into our view. If I want to pass a data variable into my view, my data value is know just and I will pass this data variable into my view with the help of with method. By the help of with method, and it has a key and variable will hold my hold our data value, and with this key we can use it inside our view as a variable. Now if we want to use it inside our view file, we we can use it like this, and if we now we want to see it in browser, we will see, sorry guys, something went wrong, undefined variable data, sorry, my key name was wrong, and here it is. You know about us. I have passed my data into my view. You can pass array type of data inside your view. Any JSON type of data, anything, any type of data you can pass into your view. So guys, you can at a time you can send multiple variables inside your view. If you want to pass another data um, inside your view, you can pass it. If my variable if I my variable is an array type of variable, which can be name, my name is Moinuddin, email address @gmail.com, phone 01716187302, and you can pass your array variable inside your view with this with method. You can chaining any number of with method that has no limit, or you can combine all of your variable all your variables into a one array as a bundle. My key name is also array. Now you will get two variables value inside your view. If you want to see this reflection of your array variable inside your view, you can find, you can see this into browser, and this is the reflection of your variables value into the browser, and you can decorative data as before. You have already created in with a HTML file. So if we want to decorate it, If you want to see it in browser, you will see a new looks of your present data of your render data. So guys, you can now I hope you can create get type route in get type route using laravel route. Now I think we can create any type of get route in laravel. uh, uh, and now we will learn how to create post type route in laravel. For the post type route, this is the syntax of post type route, and my route name is submitted form, and a closure function which will accept a request type object, and for this request type object we have to import this request namespace, which is already imported at the top of the file. Before this post route, we have to create another get route, which is which name is form. Our form route will render our form in the browser, which is also located inside our website folder. My template name is form, and I have to create my form template. I have already wrote this before starting this video, because it will consume more time. My template name is form.blade.php, form. Sorry guys, already I have all things into this. So so guys, my form, inside my form tag I have used four types of three input fields, and inside this form tag you have to create a CSR field helper function, which is created which is create a hidden field, which will create a hidden field when it is rendered into browser. You can you can see there is a hidden file name, hidden field name token underscore token, maybe it name is underscore token. So guys, without this field, Laravel will not accept your request, your submitted data, because Laravel will show you an exception, token mismatch exception. And because Laravel is a secure PHP framework, it will not accept anything without ensuring its security. And into action method, action attribute, we will pass our data into this route, which is our post route submitted form. And this is this URL is a facade, and to is a method. Just you remember this, how to create a URL on using your route. Many there is another way to another way for creating your URL that you can learn later, when you are when you have grow your experience with Laravel. Just today I am showing you how can you pass data inside your inside Laravel using its post route, and from get to post route. This form blade template is rendered by a get type of route, and will pass data through a post type of route. Request will pass by post type route. So guys, here you if you want to find your data inside your inside your browser, you can show it. Yeah. Form is our form route name is form. Yeah, and into this input field I am passing my name, my email address, and my phone number, and submitted it into through a post request. As I said, there is a hidden field name token, and which is created by a CSR field and helper function. And my form field name is name, Moinuddin, email, and phone number. And you can, if you will see it in view resources into your browser, you will see it from your form route name. There is a field name, hidden field name token. If Laravel will not match this token with the token in its system, Laravel will not accept your data, and by for this reason Laravel will raise an exception if you omit this from your form inside your form tag and you hit it into your browser and pass and submit your data through your form your post route, you will get obviously an error. Yeah, token mismatch exception. Laravel is a secure framework, so you have to acknowledge with Laravel that you ensure your CSRF field token and into Laravel Laravel form. So we have to ensure this inside our form tag. It will not show anything because we have already submitted our form data, so we have to refresh it again and it will pass us through our form type route. So guys, if you will take a single type of input field, single input field name and value into a variable, you can take it something like this: name, request, your form field name. If I return this, you will find it into your browser name. My name is Moinuddin. If you want to show your email address, it a request will take your form field name as an object and you can render it into browser. My email address is moinuddin7@gmail.com. You can also take your form field data value like this: input name, name, my name is Moinuddin. You can also get your data with get method like name. So in many ways you can get your data from your forms inside through your post route or through your post request object. So guys, hopefully we are now able to create Laravel route. How can you how to create get type route, how to create post type route in Laravel? I hope you will you will understand it clearly. If you guys, you people uh, like my video, please thumbs up, um, uh, like icon and subscribe on my channel. Thank you very much.